Hello everyone, I'm Rapolas Žilionis, Chief Scientific Officer at Trendy Biosciences, and I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming webinar on October 2nd. Microfluidic droplets are well suited for high throughput applications, including single-cell analysis. But semi-permeable capsules, or SPCs, which are an evolution of droplets, are even better. They offer unprecedented flexibility by enabling multi-step workflows. After years of commercializing this groundbreaking technology, we have no doubt about the potential of semi-permeable capsules for single-cell analysis. However, for screening applications or digital readout, there was a missing link, and it was compatibility with FACS and flow cytometry equipment. So we made the SPC smaller. Join me on October 2nd to hear more about the small SPC product that we have just launched and the benefits that this reduction in particle size brings. Not only it is compatibility with standard flow cytometry and FACS instrumentation, but also reduced reaction volumes and further increased throughput. Also, make sure to check the description to sign up for the time slot for your time zone. And hurry up because the time slots are filling up quickly.